What's up, everybody? Thanks so much for joining us for another episode of Chemical Guy's Detail Garage. 2018 is wrapping up. We're almost at the end of the year, and we just want to take a little bit of time to thank you guys so much for all of your support and loyalty to our brand, and also for always tuning in to our channel. So again, thanks so much, and we're going to tell you a little bit about what's coming up in 2019.
And big is an understatement. I mean, I'm expecting a lot of girth for this year. 2019 is definitely going to be crazy. We have our first Rides and Coffee taking place January 26th. January 26th, the last Rides and Coffee, people came all the way from, I think it's Albuquerque, place Hotel Titicaca. They were in the building. So that's what it's all about. It's all about being crazy, stretching it, pushing the limits for 2019. Also, something very unique that what a lot of people might not know is we do a lot of DIY classes that are very, very beneficial to those people that want to learn hands-on. Yeah, hands-on. So check with your local detail garage on those things. For us, I know it takes place the first Saturday of every month is the DIY at Basics, and then the third Saturday of every month is going to be the DIY at Polishing class. So. Plus, I mean, what else, Nick? I think there's going to be a lot of videos and stuff like that in store for the people next year, right?
Got a lot of big things happening in 2019. So again, always remember to tune in to your favorite YouTube channel, Chemical Guys Detail Garage. Like the videos, give us comments down below so we can help you guys learn more, and also for us to make new videos. So whatever you guys have to say, be sure to drop them down below.